Easy grammar. If or whether. Hello there, this is Easy Grammar from eLearning English. I'm George. The words if and whether are conjunctions that connect two or more sentences or clauses. In part 1 of this program, I talked about when to use the word whether. On today's program, I will talk about when it must be used and when the two words are interchangeable. We use if in conditional sentences. We cannot use whether. A conditional sentence is one that presents a condition and a result. In other words, when A happens, B happens. Here's an example.
If I won the lottery, I would buy a house.
In this sentence, if I won the lottery is the condition, and I would buy a house is the result. Next, let's talk about two situations in which if and whether are interchangeable. When reporting yes or no questions, we can use if or whether. Listen to two statements to see what I mean.
He asked if I listened to music every night.
He asked whether I listened to music every night.
We can also use if or whether when asking indirect yes or no questions. Listen to the examples.
Can you tell me if the train is coming soon? Can you tell me whether the train is coming soon?
As discussed in part 1, there are some exceptions. You can learn more about them in that first program. And that's Easy Grammar.